Hey everyone, this is Noah Britton with the Business Efficiency webinar, and I'd like to show you today how to use Marker to take screenshots through your browser. The way we're going to do this is first sign up for a brand new account. And I'm going to fill out these details with my Hotmail account. Go ahead and create this account. If you've seen my previous webinar on LastPass, and I'll put that down below, this is asking me if I want to save this login, so I'm going to go ahead and say yes. Right after we sign up, it's going to ask if we want to add an extension to our browser. And that's actually how we'll be using this screenshot plugin. So I'm going to click Install for Google Chrome. You can see here 33,000 people are using this extension, so I can tell it's widely used. I've now added it, and you can see up here it says New. So I'm going to close this little X. Now, this is also asking if I want to save my screenshots to any external tools. I happen to use Trello and Slack, but we're not going to worry about that right now. Let's move right into how to create a screenshot. Now, the main reason I use screenshots in my business is showing my developers where there's an issue, because I build websites, so I need to show my developers what they need to do. Say you own a website called Vital RNs. So Vital RNs happens to be my mom's company, and we wanted to make some changes to this website, or say that it wasn't working, and wanted a really easy way to take a screenshot and make some comments. So I actually happen to know that Karen would like to move this area, this title and this button somewhere else. So I can take a screenshot by just clicking on this marker, and what I'm going to do is it gives a couple options. I could just drag to capture a specific area. I could hit the space bar or click here to get the visible area. I'm going to do the entire page, or I'm going to just select E. So I hit entire page, captures the entire page, pulls it up in the editor, and then we can start to make some comments. It's our first time using it, so it's going to say, basically give us a little tour. Okay, so the first thing it is, it gives the arrow, so I could drag this here, put a little text that says, move this to below her nose, and change nurses to professional nurses. Right? She never asked for that, but whatever. Another example is we could click on here, click on this text icon, say change phone number to. You get my drift. And what's really nice is it doesn't just take a screenshot of what's visible. You can actually take the entire page. So you can scroll down here, and I could say maybe cross out this entire area. So I could put a little note that says remove left picture and text. I could change the color, right? I could change this to purple, drag this down here, put some text. There's also boxes, so you could draw a box around this and give a little note about that as well. Increase in size. And by color coding it, it can make it a little bit easier. You have a lot of changes on one web page. And if you want to undo something, just click this undo button, or Control Z works as well. And then you just click on Save to Local File. It downloads it as a image, and there it is. You can just then email that to your web developer or to anyone you want to communicate with. And I've used this to help people with directions on a map, say to a campground. And this saves me a lot of time also at work. So instead of typing out a long email where I need to explain all of the things that need to be changed on a web page, I can do a simple screenshot. Although, truth be told, these days I usually just send a video, since a video is way more powerful than even just a simple screenshot like that. So there we go, real simple tutorial on how to do screenshots using Marker, and there you go.